How to replace this, the Corsa. So this button here wasn't lifting to get into reverse. So basically, I'm going to replace that with this. So you basically get like a trim tool or something like this, get it prised into here, and whilst doing that, just pull this up, and then when you lift it, this is what's exposed. So this part here, when you push the button, lifts this up. So as you'll see, it broke away, so we need to replace this top part. So to do that, you just give it this a lift up, right up to the top, give it a easing up, then it comes up. And this is the inside of the new one. So we'll take this cap off and we'll use that on this one. So now just put this bit on, open it up, and you want to push it down so that this bit will obviously line up down here. Just going to pause it for a second and push down. Okay, basically I'll swap this one over. That's the one that came with the original. This was the black one. So it's been pushed down to click all the way now. And now when I sort of push that button now, it lifts. That will then lift it over the bar to put it into reverse. Start from the top, push it in. Then we have to pull back. Okay, and now as you can see, it's all hooked back in. Done. Excuse the mess. Those are the basics of if your button stops working. So here, and it feels like you're missing reverse and going straight in for it. This bit's probably broke off. Thanks.